It's Myanmar and Indonesia. Indonesia.
Oo, samahan. Tapos kasagot naman ni Cassie. Sige. Sige po, ngayon daan mo na ito. Ngayon pa daan mo na natin ito. Pasikipan sa lima.
Define on your own its importance.
Isang yan. Brain isa.
Digitalization. Bakit naman? Technology. Technologiya.
Well, as the era evolves, we are embracing innovation in our world, and digitalization is one of them. I would simply like to say that yes, we all know that things nowadays are getting easier just because of so much technologies, digitalization, and innovation. But let us not forget the importance of manpower, because if we are going to contribute each and one another's skill, we can be able to make a better process in our world. If we are going to embrace innovation, let us also value manpower, because all together we can make this world a paradise for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 12. Your picture.
Sex education. Ay, ang kaya ni paborito yan.
Sexuality Education Bill.
Go, paborito.
Okay.
Nakalive ka ba?
45
Opo, ma. Nakalive pa kung TikTok live.
Starts now.
Go, paborito.
Alright, I think it is high time for us to actually include sexual education in our curriculum. Why? Because if you will look around you, napakaraming bata ngayon. We are actually on top of our country being overpopulation. And that's one result of being not aware about our sexual education. Pag nagkaroon tayo ng tamang kaalaman sa sexuality, kung kailan dapat ito ginagawa, at kung ano ang mga masamang maitutulot kapag tayo ay sige-sige lamang sa pag-sex sa ating mga partner, then one thing is for sure, babagsak ang Pilipinas. Pero ang mga tao, pag nagkaroon ng tapat na kaalaman sa sexual education, one thing is for sure.
Thank you so much, Miss Cassie Balcon.
Ang last niyang sinabi, hindi narinig, makakapag-focus tayo.
I know. Next semi-finalist. Next semi-finalist. Number 2, Miss Mikay Bautista. Ganun ka lang. Ayan, perfect. Hi, Miss Mikay. You look so beautiful tonight. Okay, Mikay, wala tayong interpreter, ha?
Ay, nako.
Check ka lang.
Naro
So,
namin.
ang alam mo lang dyan, alam ko, Singapore. Okay, Singapore daw, sabi ni Mika.
Wow.
Ay, oo. Sige, ano pa alam mo dyan? Show the flag, okay.
I go for Malaysia.
Ngayon, minulungan mo pa po, no?
Aray, kumapunta pa lang.
Malaysia daw po. Ano yun? MGS Universal.
Yes, masok po si Sky.
So, Mikay, define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your stand about the issue chosen word. And the picture is spreading. Your Muji. Char.
Anti-teen.
It's anti-teenage pregnancy bill. Your 45 seconds starts now.
Well, you know what? In our country, that is very timely and relevant in Philippines. And you know what? There's a lot of platform for us to eradicate teenage pregnancy. We have an sex education for us to eradicate HIV, teenage pregnancy, and especially we must know when is the right time for us to be pregnant or to be parent, because being a parent is not easy. Always remember, being a parent is always a very important thing in our life. Palagi mong isipin ang ilalaman at ibubungan ng iyong tiyan. Huwag kang masarapan sa isang kabilangan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much! Kasama! Wait lang, sino nagturo sa inyo? Chika mo muna. Lagot ka na. Chika mo
Wala ka naman si ano?
Ano wala? Okay. Wala mo ng tatayo. Next, finalist, candidate number 11, Miss. Okay, sister, pick your
Hello.
country.
I would choose China.
China. Ang lugar ng mga sakin. Mga agaw. Char. Okay, define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your own stand about the issues chosen word. This is the picture.
Ayan,
Wow.
Go, Nicole!
Okay, values. Miss Nicole, your timer starts now.
Most of the Filipinos last election decided for us to have unity by voting those people from the Venezuela. I think values is very important for us to achieve the greatness of our country. If we are going to resuscitate the ideology of these people to have the right values to run or to govern us, I believe that we would have a Filipino that we deserve as Filipinos, because after all, we have the right or the best political autonomy to vote for those people who rightfully deserve to serve for our country. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Alice is candidate number 4, Miss Aubrey Martin, the best in swimsuit.
Hi, Miss Aubrey. How are you?
I'm nervous.
Oh, nervous sister. Okay, she's reply.
I would choose India.
India, namaste everyone.
Lugar ng mga makakyauti.
Okay, just wait for
India.
Define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your stand about the issue of your chosen word. And wait for the picture.
Yes, pasok po si paborito. Siyempre,
Pageant. Ready?
Pageant.
Your timer starts now.
Pageantry for me. I am new in this kind of industry, so for me, pageantry is important for those people who don't give us opportunities in life. I believe that pageantry is very very timely right now, because this is the platform that we can show everyone that we have the advocacies in our daily lives, and we inspire people for those pageants that happening right now in our country.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Number 10, Miss Pia Garcia.
Hi, Miss Pia.
Hi, Idol. Ay, dito kayo nagbeso-beso. Pwede naman sa baba. Share lang,
Hi,
share.
Batchmate! Kamusta? Ito, ay tuloy mag-contest ngayon.
Okay, you can choose your flag.
USA.
Okay, walang USA.
pili ng Pilipinas.
Nalis na. O, pinagtaglong kita.
Inalis na.
Puerto Rico.
Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, India,
Philippines na
China.
pipili.
Okay, dahil wala ka lang USA, I'm so sorry for that. Magkakulay kasi sila na kung colorblind na ako. Ano na lang, Philippines.
Philippines na maganda.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay sa lugar na maraming may utang.
Laro si
Share.
Karen. Laro, Karen.
Okay, dahil alam naman na nila yan,
Ako na lang magbabasa.
define, okay, this,
Hello,
define
hello,
on,
Tan.
Define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your stand about the issues chosen word. Your 45 seconds starts.
Ay,
All
nakalas.
out.
Right sizing.
Oh, Ate Pia. Kaya mo yan. Kailangan yan. Pia Garcia. Right sizing. Dalawang chok sa kaya.
Actually, Miss Pia
Walang
Garcia.
right side.
Hello po. Dahil pinili ko po ang Pilipinas, pakitagalog po.
What do you mean by right sizing? Yan yung parang sa employment. Kunyari, yung trabaho, ang workloads, kaya naman ng 3 tao lang ang gagawa. Hindi na natin kailangan kumuha ng 6 o higit pa para magawa yung trabaho. Parang napaka-specific na yung 3 kaya na yung trabaho, hindi na kailangan ng mas marami pa.
Okay, from the root research.
Okay, your 45 seconds. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Your
Your
45
45 seconds starts now.
Thank you very much. From the root word right size, right sizing. So, dahil dito sa salitang ito, the advantages of this one is mas nagkakaroon ng mas maraming oportunidad para sa mga Pilipino dahil pwede silang ipasok kahit alam naman na okay na. But the disadvantages is mas pinapadali ang bawat trabaho. Nang sa gayon, hindi na nararamdaman yung paghihirap, pagsisikap, dahil sa dami natin, naghati-hati na lang sa trabaho. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, I think we should always keep in our mind na dapat ang tagumpay ay pinaghihirapan. Kaya matuto po tayo na paghirapan ito kahit natupad na ang right sizing sa Pilipinas. Marami.
Wow, buzzer beater. Thank you so much, Miss Jessica. Bigyan mo naman yung mic kasi.
I'm your friend since 2018.
How are you?
To be honest, I am extremely elated at this very moment of time to be in front of these 2 icons in the national trans pageantry. As a trans provinciana contestant also, it's an honor to be here in Manila competing with these icons.
Talaga ni Mas.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much.
That is your question.
Okay, so choose your flag.
Ganda, no?
I will choose Japan.
Japan.
Osaka, Japan. Ang lugar ng
Iron
Osaka.
Santos Santana.
So define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your stand about the issue or chosen word.
National territory. Go, Cheska Day.
At this very moment of time, we are facing an undermining situation between China and the Philippines, wherein that China is claiming that the South China Sea is actually included in international territory, when in fact, the West Philippine Sea is under the 105 nautical miles of Palawan. As Filipinos, let us always choose to be patriotic, to fight for our territory, to fight for our rights, because that serves as our identity. And to lose our territory is to lose our identity as Filipinos. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13, mister.
Ano ba?
Mabuhay!
Thailand, tinigipin mo sa
Sister, ito po.
Bigay mo ako. Hello! May kasali ako.
So, pili ka ng flag, sister.
So, I will choose South Korea.
South Korea.
Manahirapan ako, ma.
So the picture is, this is the picture.
Si Mami Oni.
You only have 45 seconds to answer, by the way.
Go, Aliyah.
Define on your own its importance, advantages, disadvantages, and your stand Wait for the word. It's politics. Your 45 seconds start now.
In the Republic of the Philippines, politics is the one who handle the people. But let's put in our mind that the citizen or the Filipino should handle the politics or the government itself. That's why in this coming election, we should choose and vote wisely so that we can have a better leader to lead our country. Because I firmly believe that if we have a strong leader to lead our country, definitely there's an open door so that the Filipino can have a better year. Thank you so much.
Flag.
Thailand.
China. Okay, flag, China. Ay, Thailand, sorry. Sorry ka pa. Narinig ko ka sa China. Okay, ano po tayo ngayon live?
Yes, Karen. Okay lang yan. Basa!
Okay. Define on your own its importance, advantage, disadvantage, and your stand about the issue chosen word. English.
Vote by me. Kaya ni Summer yan, brain.
There's no time limit.
Alright, thank you so much for that introduction, Ate Karen and Queen Bolo.